No, Shockwave's not supposed to be here. Uh-oh, he's kind of messed up Spanky's routine. Oh, wow. Now, Spanky's not going to be able to see with that aircraft out there. What is going on? I can hear Spanky on the radio. Not real happy about that. Trying to mess around. Oh, you can feel the heat. Hell yeah. Now, wait a minute. Oh, man. I think Spanky said a few bad words right there, wanting to know what's going on with that truck out there with Shockwave. Shockwave's not supposed to run until later today. All right, Spanky is definitely upset about this. Let's see what's going on. I'm listening to Spanky on the radio right now, and he doesn't seem too happy. Trying to see where Spanky... Oh, here he comes. Mike's getting ready to come back. We're calling Spanky, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. Uh-oh. It looks like a heads up. Uh-oh, they've got a challenge going on, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what happens with this jet truck. And Spanky Galloway. Whoa! Spanky turned it upside down in the inverted position, giving him a dirty look as he passed underneath him. That wasn't supposed to happen. Oh, we've got a car out there chasing that truck. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what do you think about Spanky Galloway and Shockwave? Now, we're going to see Shockwave a little later on in the performance. He's going to be doing a high-speed run down that track. Yesterday at practice.